it's me again, Zoya, your friend. Today I'm going to be telling you about something very special, my book. And it's called Look Inside Space. And this book is one of my favorite books, and it's got so much information. I'll show you all the pictures first. From space, Earth looks like a round ball. The blue bits are the sea, the green bits are land. There are lots of other planets in space. They look different than Earth. This planet is much bigger than Earth. This made up of swirling gas. This planet is smaller than Earth, made up of salt. What the moon's surface looks like too. Our planet Earth is the third closest to. On a clear night, you can see some planets without a telescope. They look like very bright stars, except they don't twinkle. Would you like to join me on making some planets? Let me hear it. Even louder. Okay, good. It's all settled. How you can make the planets is by using these spongy balls from Amazon or eBay or a different kind of shop, or you could, if not, you can use these soft squishy balls. Squishy! To make a ball, you can use masking tape and put it around the ball so it doesn't release, and then you can draw it. But make sure you're not using any toilet paper! And also, we are going to be painting the sun now. And we are going to be using bright yellow because the sun has an incredible amount of gas and it burns up into fire. So let's begin. Now my sun is complete and I'm going to put it in the tray to dry, and I'm going to make more planets. Is that complete? And I'm going to be showing you how to use the kebab sticks. And you're meant to put them like this. Ta-da! Now Saturn has a ring, and I'm going to be using this for the ring. Now I added these kebab sticks, and I'm going to be putting the planets there on top and away from the sun. I've finished my planets now, and now we are going to draw a rocket so we can go outer space. Now I made a cardboard rocket. I drew it, and we are now going to color it in, and then we can go outer space. Now we're in space! Now we can discover the mysteries of the universe! Now we are in outer space. The world is slowly moving around. Let's see all our planets. There's 8 planets in our solar system, more than the sun. The sun really isn't a planet, and the sun is a hot ball of gas and it's fire. And it isn't really in space because that space is so cold out there. There are 8 planets in our solar system. There are 4 rocky planets like Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. And there's 4 gas giants like Neptune, Uranus, Saturn, and Jupiter. And let's go fly over to Mercury. Mercury is the closest planet to the sun, and it spins around, and it's one of the rocky planets, and it's so hot. If you're in the shade over there, you'd be completely cold. You'd be cold. And if you're out of the shade, you'll be like hot. Hottest you've ever been. Here's the planet Mercury over here. See how close it is to the sun? And now let's move on to the hottest planet, Venus. Venus is beautiful, and it's almost like Earth's twin because they're both the same size and they're both rocky planets. Scientists have still to discover, but they're just alike. And Venus is very, very hot. It's the hottest planet in our solar system. And now it's Earth, the third planet in our solar system. And Earth, you already know loads about Earth because that's the planet we live on. And now let's go to Mars. Mars is the fourth closest planet to the sun, and it might seem like it's cherries and apples and strawberries, but there's actually no life on there at all. But there might be life. Scientists have still been working on that for Mars, and Mars is hot, but it isn't actually like the thing I just said. It's more like magma lava. It might seem hot, but it's actually cold. And its nickname is the Red Planet. And here's Mars over here. Now we go over to Jupiter. Jupiter is our fifth planet in our solar system and the biggest one. And do you know that you can't even land on Jupiter because that it is so gassy, and it's one of the gas giants, and it's so gassy, and you have to land in the core. The core is right in the middle, and it is so gassy that there was a storm on Jupiter, the Great Red Spot. And I think scientists said that the red spot is a hurricane that has lasted for hundreds of years. Hundreds, billions, trillions of years. And here's Jupiter over here. And here is Saturn. Saturn is famous for its beautiful rings. And Saturn rings isn't like icicles or something like that. Well, it is ice and rocks and asteroids. And Saturn is another one of our gas giants. Uranus. Uranus is just water. And do you know something about Neptune? That scientists haven't discovered why Uranus is just a lighter blue than Neptune. Well, I think it's because Uranus is much closer to the sun, and Mercury is the farthest planet to the sun. And it's another one of our gas giants. These two are just water, but they keep having gravity, but I don't know why. Not even ocean creatures can live there because that is so icy cold. The water would just freeze. I love my planet Earth so much. It's the planet we live on. It has oxygen, gravity, water, and all living things that you really need to survive. And now it's time to zoom in back to Earth. Zoom in. Now we are going to go back to Earth in our space rocket. Our friend is going to take us a lift. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off! Now it's time to take off my suit because it's so hot and so heavy. I can barely not stand the heat, and I can barely not stand. Now our space journey is done. And I hope to see you again in my next video. Click the bell to receive all of our updates, or subscribe to see our new and specialist of all channels. Hope to see you again. Bye!